Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Beauty Big Bang XL038 swatches that comes in this beautiful little envelope, and of course you've got to remove the blue film off of it and clean it before you use it. Excuse the crunching, cotton is taking care of a Christmas present. We're going to clean it with the acetone and get into some swatching. Today I'm using Funky Fingers Dark Night and Kashuk for stamping. I got them at Five Below and they work really good for stamping. So here we go with the first image. Very nice. These images all pick up really well. I didn't have issues with any of them. They all worked out so great. Now I am out of frame a lot on this video. My center point was not where it should have been. It happens. But I am going to show you at the end of the video a little footage of all of the swatches, as well as a swatch photo of the plate with all of the tips sitting on it. And I really do like this plate. I like all the flower images and the tree images, you know, like tree rings and things like that. Just so many possibilities. And I've already been playing with these plates doing manicures, so we're just going to hop right on into it and, you know, start doing some manis with these. In fact, I might even show manicures before I even show the swatches. It's just going to be that way. I really like this image right here. Very wispy, grass-like look. Very cool. And I will leave a link for Beauty Big Bang down below. They've been running some specials here lately, and they normally have really great prices on quality products anyway. So, you know, it's never a bad time to buy from them. They do have a US warehouse now, which is nice. So sometimes things can come quicker from that warehouse. And I do have a 10% off code. PACK285 will get 10% off your order. So here's the last swatch. And here are the images all laid out on the plate. So I would really love to hear what you think about this plate. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about this here beautiful plate. And that is it for me today. I want to thank you for watching. And until next time, be good to yourself. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.